Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to set search engine on Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 into a custom one. So you have to start with opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to the website of your search engine, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using this search engine. And now you can click here and go to settings. Now click on search engine, and in recently visited you have yep.com. And now if you go back, you can see that my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.